What's up, bro?
What up, man? What up?
What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing New York Novador today. That's what I'm wearing.
That's so cool, yeah. Wow.
Check this out, baby.
Absolutely, okay. I will check your song once I got home.
Yeah, check out my song Secondhand Love with Will Hurd.
Absolutely, okay. Thank you so much. You have an amazing day.
Yeah, peace out.
嘿，大家好，欢迎来到 XYD 的频道。那么今天呢，我又一次的来到了纽约中城的这个韩国街，给大家看一下这边行人的穿搭。现在已经是5点多，将近6点了。然后希望大家能够喜欢这期视频。What are you both wearing today?
I'm wearing Steve Madden, Zara, and American Eagle. And yeah, American Eagle as well.
I love the shoes.
Thank you, thank you.
These are Levi's and this is from Urban Outfitters.
Hi. 你可以讲一下你今天穿的是什么吗？
是一个 Alexander Wang 的一个短款的一个 T， 然后还有也是 Alexander Wang 的一个裤子。
哇，鞋子呢？
鞋子我也不知道，就是一个很普通的皮鞋这样。
OK， 好，谢谢你们的穿搭很棒 ，Thank you。Bye。
Hi.
What are you both wearing today?
The skirt and the shirt.
It's nice. Yeah.
Capital hat.
I like your hat too.
Thank you.
Okay, what is your favorite vintage shop?
My favorite vintage shop, I think, is Front General. It's in Dumbo.
Dumbo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You have an amazing day.
Thank you too.
Hi.
Hi,
What are you wearing today?
I'm actually wearing, these are black chiffon pants that I had made for myself. This is from ASOS, and I think this is Zara.
Yeah.
So like, this costs a lot of money, and this costed no money.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's like mix and match, right?
I agree,
So
yeah.
cool.
What about the shoes?
They're actually from Zara.
Wow.
So
Can't even believe. So nice.
yeah, and you know, I repaired them because like you have to repair leather shoes. So they'll last a long time if you repair them, and they look much better.
Hey, what's up? What are you wearing today?
I am wearing CDG black. I have a Comme des Garçons bag.
I love the
CDG
Comme
black
Garçons.
skirt.
How's your day?
Good, just taking my break.
Yeah, just enjoying.
Yes,
bro.
sir.
Hi.
Hello.
你好，可以讲一下你今天的穿搭吗？
我今天穿的是一套来自 W Concept 网站上买的一个小套装。
哇，非常漂亮。你可以讲一下你的包包吗？
包包是巴黎世家的
Yeah.
Hourglass。
你的穿搭很漂亮，谢谢你。
谢谢，没事。
玩得开心，拜拜。What's up, bro?
Hello.
What are you wearing today?
Right now I'm wearing the SpongeBob Nickelodeon shirt
Yeah, it's so
with black
cute.
cargo pants and the ASAP Rocky Vans.
Classic, yeah.
Thank you.
What do you do? Are you do skateboarding?
Yeah, I
or?
skate.
Hi. 你们两个能不能形容一下你们的穿搭？
形容一下，我觉得我穿搭很嚣张。
对对，非常独特，我很少见有你们两个这种就是风格的。对，
谢谢你。
你能讲一下你的鞋子来自哪里吗？
鞋子是阿迪达斯。
哇，从来都没有见过。
鞋子是 Ralph Simmons。
哦 ，Ralph Simmons，OK。
阿迪达斯。
OK， 那你呢，兄弟？
今天就比较 chill。
比较 chill，yeah。
我穿也很 chill。
对对，我看你穿的背心和这个喇叭裤真的特别帅，很少见有你们两个这种类型的。谢谢。OK， 谢谢你们，祝你们玩得开心。What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing this boutique purchased one piece and my Alex bag because of course you gotta live it up with
Exactly, yeah, I agree. I also love your shoes too.
Dolls Kill.
Wow, so amazing, yeah.
And bling. Always gotta have the bling.
Absolutely, yeah. Okay, you enjoy your night. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Stacy 的
Stussy 的，然后
对对对，
也在夏威夷买，然后我的裤子是女款的 Marine Story，然后我是稍微的改过，然后鞋子是Nike 和 Sacai 的联名，然后包是 Off-White 的。
我很喜欢你这个包包，超级帅。
谢谢。
对 ，OK， 谢谢你，祝你玩得开心。
好，
拜拜。来看，谢谢。刚才然后过来拿果汁，然后他们说还没有好，然后这人好多，然后也不知道 道有没有地方给大家拍我的这个 outfit。今天外面太热了，然后我就买了一个，这个是 Grateful Green Tea Slush， 然后就很好喝，然后特别的清爽。而这个店是周杰伦开的，然后你们可以过来尝一下这个。等一下我会继续给你们拍，继续看下去，谢谢。What's up, my man? What are you wearing today?
This is engineered garments.
Wow.
From the Nepenthes. This is Capital.
Yeah.
Birkenstocks, and I think these are Pantheria socks.
Yeah,
So and
absolutely.
then flossing a little bit with.
Oh my god, bro, you got the cozy feel, yeah.
Yeah, it's summertime. I feel
Exactly.
pretty easy.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your night.
Thank you.
Yeah. What's up, bro? What are you wearing today?
I got on Fallen Angels. I got the Nike Blazers. This is a thrifted shirt.
Yeah.
This is just a regular ass tank top. This is a DIY chain.
Wow.
And we got the tote. That's it.
Yeah. Can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
What is your favorite vintage shop?
My favorite vintage shop?
Yeah.
I would have to say 2nd Avenue.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Good. How are you today?
Pretty sweaty. I just city biked all the way out
I know. Okay, what are you wearing today?
here. I'm wearing a shirt that I thrifted, pants from Trash and Vaudeville.
Yeah.
No, I didn't care about it.
What's up, bro? Yeah, I'm sorry, man.
No worries. I got biker boots.
I love the boot.
Thanks. And a tech jacket from Rag & Bone.
Yeah, okay. You look amazing today, bro. I just want to let you know. And enjoy your night. Okay, thank you. Yo, what's up, guys? 然后我现在来到了这个K Town这边的一个餐厅，然后刚才在外面拍得很累，然后现在就在这边吃一点东西，然后等会儿吃完了以后，然后我会继续去跟大家拍，然后等一下我也会给你们看一下我都吃了什么东西，然后挺好吃的，我可以给大家看一下。今天要吃一下这个韩国的这个叫 Gimari， 然后它的外面是油炸的，然后中间有一层那个紫菜卷是吗？然后里面还有米，我先给大家尝一口，就特别脆，然后里面不是米是那个粉丝，然后先进我的粉丝一个。What are you both wearing today?
Today this is from Korea. 한국에서 이거 브랜드 이름 뭐더라? 브랜드 이름은 까먹었는데
It's so cool, yeah.
서울에서 파는 거예요. 그리고 this is from H&M. Yeah.
What about you, sir?
저도 옷은 그냥 한국 인터넷에서 산 거고 이거 여기 소호에서
샀는데 브랜드를 몰라요.
That's
까먹었어.
fun. Yeah. I love you both tattoos.
Yeah, tattoo.
Yeah, so cool.
Yeah. We are Korean artists.
What's up, bro?
I'm good.
What are you wearing today?
This is a Ralph Lauren sports coat.
Hi.
What are you wearing today?
So this is Uniqlo, Coast, Everlane, and also Everlane.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you both wearing today?
Okay, so my top is Zara. These pants are vintage from like the 70s.
Yeah. I love the shoes.
Fendi bag, 90s.
Wow.
Vintage.
Yeah. What about you?
I don't remember where I got the shirt from, but pants are H&M.
Yeah.
And then Converse.
Yeah.
And then a kit bag.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
What are you wearing today?
So I'm wearing a hijab. I'm Muslim, so girls cover their hair.
Yeah, I respect
That's
that.
it.
Yeah. I also love your earrings.
Thank
it's
you.
so nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, have a good night. Thank you.
Alright, you too. Bye.
What are you wearing today?
Okay, so I'm wearing this top from Shein. These jeans are are from H&M.
I love the jeans.
And these are Nike. And then, yeah, this bag I think it's from Shein too.
Wow, you look amazing tonight.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
What's up, bro?
What's up, what up, what's up?
What are you wearing today?
Right now, I'm rocking Lavin, Montclair, Fallen Angels.
This shoe's so dope.
Lavin. I did this myself.
Yeah, it's really nice. You got the talent for design.
I know.
Okay,
I'm trying.
Yeah, can I ask you one question?
What's up?
What is your favorite brand?
My favorite brand right now, I ain't gonna lie to you, it's hard between, it's either Prada or Lavin. I don't know. It's hard. It's hard.
That's cool. I understand.
It's hard.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
All right.
Have a good night.
All right. What's your name?
Hey, what's up, bro? 然后今天的视频就结束了。我现在跟大家讲一下我穿的什么衣服。然后我头上戴的这个是Uniqlo 跟一个法国品牌合作的。然后上衣是 COS， 包包 You already know, bro. Maison Margiela。然后短裤也是 Maison Margiela。然后鞋子今天穿了还是那个 Comme des Garçons 和岳敏君合作的。这就是我今天一身的穿搭了。Thank you for your support. See you in the next video. Peace.